This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Today we have a gas fire pit that is not igniting. It has a valve here that you turn to the light position and you press this button and it creates a little spark. Spark goes between that igniter and this venturi, this burner tube, but it doesn't seem to light, so we're going to see if we can get it going. So we're going to go to the light position. Oh, there we go. Couple things. One is electrical contact cleaner. You can get this like at the hardware store. This is made by CRC or Home Depot. Spray it in there on the igniter and on the burner tube. That's where the spark jumps. So you can use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove this guard. That'll help you get to the igniter, but probably just using a wire brush, just get in there. Probably don't even need it. You can even bend this tube up, give you a little better access. So usually cleaning it up is what it needs. This one is actually a battery powered one, so if you're not getting a good spark, you can try changing the battery too. But usually it's just get some oxidation. So try it again. Turn on the gas. And there we go. So I think that was just dirty. Turn it off, try it a couple times. Off position, make sure the fire goes out. Lava rocks back in place. Let's try it again, make sure it's going to work. So we go on, press our start button. Yeah, that's when it doesn't want to work. Okay. Could be not enough oxygen, so I'm going to move. I don't want to really create a huge opening, but I'm just going to try to get more oxygen going in there by removing just a few of the lava rocks. See if that helps. Yeah, so it looks like it probably just needed more oxygen. So removing the rocks did help. Just playing with this, trying to get a nice aesthetic. So we've got a little opening there. Let's try that. Yeah, so it's just not enough oxygen. Now we're good. So when you think about flame, it needs three things. It needs temperature, it needs fuel, and it needs oxygen. So sometimes if you're not getting an ignition, it could be that you need to open up a little area there so you got more airflow. Hopefully that's been helpful to you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks so much for watching our video on how to get a fire pit to light up. Hopefully that's helped you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and we'll send you a whole bunch more videos on repairing things around the house. Thanks again.